So I was saying that when I walked in during lunch, and I thought, I'm going for a presentation where most of the people would be like me, and my team, because we have a long relationship with E4M, and I agreed. But when I'm seeing the presentations, I feel that E4M has today played a practical joke on me, because my presentation is nowhere like what we have seen so far. I have no videos to show. I have nothing to do with the creative execution or creatives. I will be showing nothing like that, right? So I was told to talk about one of the campaigns which got awarded by E4M last year, and that's what I'm going to talk about. I've come from Chennai, so I thought it will be pertinent to talk about my company first. I represent TVS Credit. TVS Credit is among top 20 NBFCs in India as far as our AUM, assets under management, or book size is concerned. We have around 19 million customers whom we have served so far in last 15 years. We operate out of 50,300 touch points, which includes a lot of channel partners we have. We have 14 products, and the only product we use OOH for, I'm not going to talk about it today. We recently launched gold loans in Chennai. So gold loans is one category where OOH is extensively used, but it's too new to talk about. We have 144 offices. We started off as a captive finance company of TVS Motor, only doing two-wheeler loans, and today we have diversified into 14 products. We have a big footprint in two-wheeler loans as well as consumer durable and mobile loans. See, NBFC as sector is very competitive, but also very non-differentiated. We have a very simple product. We borrow money and we lend it. So there is no differentiation in the product per se. So the differentiation which comes in NBFCs is through how do you give customer a better experience. Either give the loan faster or give the loan digitally. And to do that, you need to have huge amount of investments in technology and data understanding of the consumer. We are able to give loans to those customers who may not necessarily get loans from the banks, and that is possible because we have large sources of alternative data points. So we tried to create customer experience through omni-channel and digital first journeys. A lot of my products are available on app where on click you can get money, customer engagement and personalization through digital and data analytics. We have around 80-member analytical team which helps us reach out to those customers who don't have bank statements, who don't have conventional forms of income or salary slips. How do you assess them? So that becomes a differentiation. And our channel partner network, wherever you are present, you are able to, if a customer is aware about me, the chances of considering my product is almost as good as 80 to 90%, right? So these are the things which differentiate us. But at the same time, if you do something in this space, given the government's focus on account aggregators, CIBIL is democratizing the data in terms of accessing customers. We have CIBIL scores for customers who have never taken loan now. So that is changing, and therefore these differentiators also kind of get replicated very soon. So we have to continuously invest in data technology. And from the marketing point of view, what is changing is that earlier, the traditional needs were that you give them experiences and engage them in a certain way, but at cohort level. Now we operate with micro segments. We have identified around 2,500 micro segments, and we give personalized experiences to our customers. And today what I'm going to talk about is our mainline or flagship consumer promotion, which is done during festival season, called Magical Diwali. Why consumer promotions? I'll give you an example. Suppose we are giving out a mobile loan. Any NBFC will give you a mobile loan at zero cost, no 0% EMI, right? So you are actually paying the price of the product itself, and we earn in different ways. So why would a customer choose me? Right? Because for him, every brand is similar, and he is more interested in buying a phone and not necessarily which loan company he buys a loan from. And I think consumer promo plays a very important role here. What we found out is that in this festive season, at least for consumer products, anybody who used a consumer promo gave a 7% lift in growth of festive sales. Higher brand recall and consideration happened wherever the brands chose consumer promotion, and repeat purchases happened in our category, 30% higher repeat purchase when we offered consumer promotions. But then consumer promotions are also replicable. You can give an offer tomorrow, other finance company can give a similar offer. We used to give foreign travel as a lucky draw, highest price, somebody else will give a better country. So what we decided is that our consumer promotion will have two underlying factors. One is how consumers themselves push this. So we made UGC as a cornerstone of this particular promotion. And we pushed this campaign not only through our social media campaigns or our other medias, but also used our 50,000 plus channel partners to push this on the ground. So Magical Diwali campaign at core is very simple. If you buy a product from us with our loan, you click a selfie with that product and post it on social media. That's how it started few years back. Because we were only running after social media matrices that I need to reach more, I need to engage customers more, and that's it. But it was not getting picked up because we were treating it as a social media campaign. So the moment last 2 years we started using almost every channel available to us, right? The campaign picked up, the channel partners saw value in it, and that's when we saw that shifting from just a social media campaign to a channel partner driven consumer promotion, and only doing it for certain products and not for everything which is available to us. Because if I do only for two-wheeler or consumer durables, it was only impacting newer customers and not giving anything to our repeat customers or existing customers. So that thing we changed, and that's what helped us last year in increasing the numbers. So this is one of the clutter breaking consumer promo. It developed channel partners deep trust in us. It gave us larger consumer reach, enhanced our business, and a larger brand recall for a lot of matrices. If we look at the numbers, this campaign reached 61.2 million last year online through our digital campaigns as well as social media campaigns. 68,000 consumers participated. So that means around 20% of the customers we onboarded actually participated in the context. The numbers who would have got exposed to this campaign would be far higher, but 20% people actually made an effort to click a selfie and post it on our social media channels. And 40,000 channel partners participated, which was 30% higher than last year, which again showed in some of the numbers is that we also, when we were seeing that after Diwali, the festive season keeps going on, right? Diwali got over around early first week of November. So we wanted to push it beyond because the schemes which are given in festive season by OEM channel partners, by financiers, last till December. So when the interest was flagging, all the major sales days like Diwali, Dhanteras were done. How do you push? So we started other set of channels or other set of media, influencer campaign, released our brand video to push the thing further. So that also helped us give us boost at the fag end of the festive season. But eventually it's the channel partners, who ensure that when a customer walks in, right, they are being told about this consumer promo. And that helps them convert the fence sitters, somebody who moved to the other shop. And they created effective lead generation funnel. And, we gave got a lot of insights also, that what will be required to be done next year. So that was something very interesting, and this reflected in our channel partner metric, which we at TVS Credit are very proud of. The channel partners who participated in this contest, that means at least one customer at their outlet participated in Magical Diwali, had a 15% higher growth than the channel partners where participation didn't happen at all. And this, we feel, will encourage more channel partners to participate next year. Another thing which we did differently, in CD outlets, you would have noticed they have large TVs, right? If you go to any appliances store or any store which sells TVs, washing machines, they have displays which we don't need to buy media for. Because they are our channel partners, we will show co-branded ads. We used a lot of AI tools to ensure that our ads had the channel partner name and the logo of the OEM partner we are working with, and therefore we sent them interesting content around consumer durable, which was focused on that they should not wait, customers should not wait but upgrade. And that campaigns were naturally or organically played by the channel partner. So let's say a a TV store or any appliances store has 8 to 10 LED units, they will play our media there. And we were getting that free of cost at around 40,000 outlets, which was interesting, because if I would have gone out and bought that kind of space for that kind of footfalls which these outlets get, it would have cost me a bomb. So that is some innovation which helped me almost get a zero cost advertising at these outlets. For the next year, we are going to use channel partners as brand amplifiers. We have seen that during festive season, this promo also worked at activating the inactive dealers, because channel partners tend to go inactive with you. They might not give you a lead for, let's say, 3 months. So this helps in accelerating that. It helps create localized engagement, and performance related rewards are given to the channel partners. This is the first time we use integrated channels. We used almost 7 to 8 channels to put our message out and allowed the customers to participate across social media as well as our website, and not just on, let's say, Facebook and Instagram. That helped increase the participation. We also felt that wherever we did POS branding or outdoor, out of home execution at these CD outlets, we saw a higher participation and uptake rate. So we'll continue to do that and find newer ways to reach out to these customers. That's it from my side. Thanks a lot. If you have any queries, I'll be happy to answer afterwards. Thank you.